how to set Siri only for my voice. So if you want to set Siri only for my voice, then first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and you will find Siri and Search. You need to tap on it, and here you will have an option of listen for or talk to Siri. You just need to simply tap on it.
Now Siri is turned off on your iPhone. To turn it back on, tap and select Siri or Hey Siri, or just Hey Siri.
Now from here, you just need to simply tap on off. And once you turn off your Siri, you just need to simply tap on Siri or Hey Siri. You'll have two options. You can tap on any one of those and then enable your Siri with your voice input. Tap on enable and then tap on continue. And that's it. That's how you can set Siri only for your voice. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.